I really think you guys are gonna like him.
Alright.
He's pretty cool. He's just like us, I guess.
Alright.
So before I go in there though, there's one thing that you guys should know about my friend. He suffers from T.K.S. I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's fairly common. Like 12 kids or something.
Wow.
And basically he thinks he's a tea kettle. So he's just steams in his head just coming off. You gotta
Never heard of that.
lift off this little top, just like a tea kettle, like a real one. Except he's not a tea kettle, which is the sad part. And then he just simmers down, and like, I don't know, 20 minutes later, the tea will be ready again.
Oh my god.
So just don't even worry about it. He's pretty cool. He's pretty cool.
Alright.
I'm trying to
Yeah.
Right.
Go on in.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, not too bad. I'm Teddy.
Alright. Nice to meet you, Teddy. I'm Tom.
Tom.
Steve.
Steve. Just reading up on my pigeon stuff. Look at all these pigeons.
Oh wow.
Oh, dude, how did they all get there?
That's normal.
Anything good on today?
Wait, is he saying this?
Get me out! Get me out!
Should we do something?
almost done.
Is this
I
bad?
don't know, dude. I don't know. Is this bad? Oh, thanks, dude. Oh. So,
Do you like brewed tea in there? Or is there water?
what, like, you think, do I brew tea? You think this is a joke? Dude, who the hell did you bring here?
I don't know, alright? What do you mean you don't know? Why are you here?
What's it to you? Yeah, we brought a dog.
Duh, a dog.
Yeah, a dog.
You two, out of here.
Leave the dog.
Oh, Teddy, we're eating good tonight. I always knew they'd bring their dog.
Duh.